Interest and amount example. Find the interest and amount to be paid on 20,000 rupees at 5% per annum after 2 years. Solution. First we have to find out interest. Simple interest equal to PTR by 100 is the formula. Here P is given 20,000, principal amount 20,000, and rate of interest R is 5%, time given 2 years. Therefore interest equal to P is 20,000 into time 2 year into rate of interest 5 divided by 100. 20 gets cancelled. Here 200 into 2 5 is 10. 10 into 200 is 2000. This is interest. Amount to be paid, total amount is equal to P plus interest. P is how much here? Principal amount 20,000 plus interest 2,000. Total 22,000 is answer.